Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go over how anyone as an individual beginner can start an Airbnb business. We're going to go over the most up-to-date information from BART AI. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to focus is research and planning. You want to make sure that you realize what is the risk associated with this investment in this business, and you want to make sure that you know where is the highest demand with the lowest competition. Number one priority, of course, should be market analysis. Check local regulators. Is it allowed in your state? Is it allowed in your city? What are the limitations? What are the restrictions? Is anybody else around you in the area has been doing it? Is it successful or it isn't? Also, you want to pay very close attention to the listings in the local real estate websites. You want to see and you want to notice which listings are most likely Airbnb's listings, right? It's very hard to identify, but if you spend long enough time within different listings scrolling, you can definitely identify which listing comes from the owner, which listing comes from the real estate professional, broker, or agent, or is coming from someone who is just simply running Airbnb business. The second thing is the financial planning, which in my opinion is the most important part. This is where a lot of people are failing. They're having amazing plans, amazing research, but they simply fail to do the math. So you have to create a budget for costs associated with first acquiring the property, furnishing the property, having the insurance and the cleaning services included in the property. A lot of owners of the properties will not agree on this, so you want to make sure that you offer more, so you will convince them by simply including cleaning services, including insurance, so the owner of the property will feel okay you having someone else as an Airbnb business inside. The third one is the legal compliance. This means that you need to obtain everything that is necessary under the rules and regulations, such as license, permits, consult with the business structure, and of course your legal team should be on point. You definitely want to work with the lawyer who previously had experience with Airbnb arbitrage or Airbnb businesses. Okay, you don't want to get someone that hasn't done it before. You have to explain everything to them. Second thing is that you need to prepare your space, right? A lot of work in the beginning has to be done by you. Okay, you have to furnish, decorate. You have to consider certain amenities depending on how premium you actually charge people for. You need to create a nice atmosphere, right? Photos of the listings, this is a completely separate department. Most people are hiring professional photographers because the pictures are a very important part of the process, convincing people to rent out your Airbnb, okay? Last step is the launching and operations. You need to create a system, okay? You need to set competitive rates. You don't want to lowballing, but you don't want to overcharge people, simply because in the beginning you have no reviews, so you want to set your expectations realistically. You want to gain some traction, you want to gather some reviews, so you want to use a dynamic pricing tools which consider seasonal fluctuations, meaning if you have Airbnb in Colorado, right, your most profitable season will be the winter time when people coming over for skiing. So this is if you use a website which adjusts the prices for seasons, for locations, which season is the strongest in this area, you can charge premium, and throughout the year you can charge average or little above average, so it's still going to be good and competitive. Also, you want to communicate with the guest, and you will have someone that is meeting the guest requirements, guest help, guest support, something like a customer service. You can hire someone to do that, like a virtual assistant or so. Also, you want to have someone to coordinate with cleaning, with emergency contact, something that is related to the property management. And this is why you charge people for. It is not free and it's not coming out of your pocket. So this is why you want to create a system. You want to create how everything will work in what circumstances. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.